Yomi Fabiyi, Mr. Yomi Fabiyi-Yoruba Actress Yomi Fabiyi-Yoruba ni. Èmi ni mo mọ̀ wọ́n tójú mi rí. I try to private chat mi pé so that I will explain things tí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ fún èmi because I don't ó wá jẹ́ ó yẹ mo believe pé ó yẹ tó jẹ́ nǹkan pé ó yẹ tó máa explain nǹkan tó fẹ́ torí bọ̀ yìí o look at the disadvantages and advantages but tó jẹ́ nǹkan pé I don't know, maybe you don't like approaching someone or maybe because of his standard and all those things. Ó kọ́ the time nǹkan wọ́n fẹ́ wá ṣe graduation ní Abẹ́òkúta because of I didn't come for that graduation. He removed me from all his group. Then I was like, ṣé tí guy ṣe ni then I tried to contact one of the students even though there was one time pé tí wọ́n á rí gan máa dàbí pé tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́ni àwọn pé orúkọ mi ni Ọ̀nàkọ́yà Christiana. Mo máa ti àwọn cinema movie and Nollywood Funke Akindele. I went for a set recently.
Báwo lẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ acting? Kí ló gbé yín dé díẹ̀?
Acting yẹn is a long story but màá ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ ní wọn. Ìgbà tí mo wà ní school gbà yẹn ní lásùn gbà yẹn àwọn kan máa ń mú mi fún modeling kìíní gbà yẹn wọ́n máa ń fi mí ṣe fídíò vcin. Ìgbà yẹn gbẹ̀rù máa ń bá mi pé báwo ni màmá ṣe máa wọ bone shot kìíní kan then àwọn family mi they are very very against it pé àwọn ò láyè pé tọ́wọ́ tíyàn máa ṣe ara lẹ̀ but mo kọ́ ṣe yẹn later gbà tí mo wá ní problem ọlọ́kọ̀dé tèmi àti ọkọ mi mo kọ̀ wọ́n báyìí pé apart from sewing and all those things kí ni mo lè tún lè máa ṣe then mo ń bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi ọkì plantain chips nígbà yẹn but gbà tó wá yá challenges kan wá dé fún mi àtọ̀rẹ́ mi gbà tó di pé ọ̀rọ̀ pé a máa kọ̀wọ́ báyìí kó mo sọ fún mi pé return a plantain and potato chips ọlọ́run kọ́ ṣe yanu mo kọ́ pé if I can see any job tó máa mú wá fún mi àtọmọ mi ìkúra mo kọ̀ wọnú group kan mo rántí lady kan báyìí wọn ló send group yẹn fún mi tí mo kọ̀ ṣe rí pé we need extra for wedding scene madam pa mo wá sọ fún ọmọ tó ń gbé lọ́dọ̀ mi yẹn pé ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn ní extra for wedding scene ìyẹn náà pé ṣé kọ́ ni family madam I don't know pé but let's go ni I ṣá apply I submit picture wa then I don't have studio picture then mo ṣá submit ẹni ọ ṣá mú mi then my first pay then was 5,000 the other girl was 4,000 per day ní tá ṣe débẹ̀ ìyàn tí máa kọ́ rí which mo kàn sọ fún àwọn ẹ̀pẹ́ dúró torí èmi ò mọ̀ nípa iṣẹ́ yìí tó má lọ dín pọ́ máa lọ kidnap wa mo wá rí mama rainbow mo wá sọ fún àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀pẹ́ this job is really legit that we should wọ́n ta ṣe wọlé nìyẹn from there ọmọ máa pè mí mama lọ ṣe ìgbà náà máa pa can you take clients then I was not bold then ọmọ put me through but more than púpọ̀ ní ìjọ kan mo kọ́ pé tí n jókòó pé I want to know how to do this thing very well then mo wá rí gbà kan Yomi Fabiyi Mr. Yomi Fabiyi-Yoruba Actress Yomi Fabiyi-Yoruba ni he posted on his page pé òun ní di ọ̀hún pé òun ní school kan ìgbà kan pé kinní kan then mo wá lọ DM ẹ̀ he told me the amount the everything and mo dey negotiate pẹ̀lú him he even told me to pay 80,000 80 yeah and registration 5,000 polo 7,000 then I paid 50,000 again but mo wá notice him pé school yẹn he has 2 classes ìkan wà ní Abẹ́òkúta ìkan wà ní Kòròdú complete 3 times or 4 times tí mo ti lọ sí Kòròdú yẹn mo ò tí ì rí but he always communicate to the head house àbí wọ́n máa ń pè wọ́n ní head house náà ni ní instructor pé ó máa ń pè táyà fọ́tò kínní kan I'm not really mo rí nǹkan tí mo ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ then I stopped going but mo dẹ̀ ṣì wà nínú group ẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn ni later mo wá rí pé I'm not enjoying this thing later ọlọ́run náà kọ́ fẹ́ lọ shoot fíìmù kan ní Ìkòròdú pọ̀ máa sanwó tẹ́ máa ṣe kínní kan then I try to private chat mi pé so that I will explain things tí nǹkan ṣe ń lọ fún èmi because I don't ó wá jẹ́ ó yẹ mo believe pé ó yẹ tó jẹ́ nǹkan pé ó yẹ tó máa explain nǹkan tó fẹ́ torí bọ̀ yìí o look at the disadvantages and advantages but tó jẹ́ nǹkan pé I don't know maybe you don't like approaching someone or maybe because of his standard and all those things I just pay the money, you don't even know, maybe I'm coming to the class. The time nǹkan wọ́n fẹ́ wá ṣe graduation ní Abẹ́òkúta. Because of I didn't come for that graduation, he removed me from all his group. He said I need to pay penalty of 20-something thousand. Tó mo lọ sí graduation, that was, is it not 3 years ago or 2 years ago, January. Then I was like, ṣé tí guy ṣe ni. Then I tried to contact one of the students. Yẹn sá ọ̀pá ń pé ti ní sùúrù fún kinní kan. Mọ́ náà ń pé bẹ́ẹ̀ tèmi ò lè lọ pé tí wàá rìn tí wàá sọ 50,000 naira nù pẹ̀lú owó registration, pẹ̀lú owó àwọn aṣọ kan tó ń tà. Ó ní polo kan náà, ó ní àǹkárá kan náà tí mo rà nígbà yẹn náà. Pé mo lè hold anybody responsible, but mo wá rí pé so many people have been complaining about him pé he's always after the money, he's not after maybe tẹ ṣe feel nínú teaching or kini acting school yẹn pé kini kan. Then I just like, let me just leave him alone. Àti gbà yẹn I don't have anything communication with him. Ìgbè kini kan, even though there was one time pé tí wọ́n á rí gan máa dàbí pé tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́ni àwọn pé ìwọ tó ń sọ pé o fẹ́ kọ́ àwọn èèyàn jọ pé tó máa wá fún acting school, you will be a person pé you will be able to be available for these people. Only reason why torí ẹ̀ ní acting yẹn tí mo wá discourage nípa acting yẹn, but tí wàá lọ sí location nǹkan tí máa ń aim láti lọ ṣe pé wardrobe or costumier tí mo bá ti rí any costumier yẹn because head of department of costumier, I always talk to them that fashion design, can I be one of your assistants? But thank God I met one person ó dẹ̀ allow mi pé tí máa ṣiṣẹ́ wardrobe yẹn pẹ̀lú ohun costume àwọn artists yẹn pé kíní kan, but mo ṣì máa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ art yẹn but not really. But mo ní kí ló máa ń pè tó bá ti pè mí fún speaking role like this, my chest will just like àyà mi kò máa lagi pé.
So ká wá sọ báyìí pé torí pé kẹ́lẹ̀ ní confidence láti máa take speaking role and láti máa wà prominent, láti máa act normally lẹ́sẹ̀ lọ sí school yẹn, but you now make disadvantage, you are disappointed pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Very very mo wà.
But nǹkan tó sì mi bí lè mi pé orúbi tẹ́ lọ yẹn normally gbàtẹ́ tẹ́ sọ pé ọ̀nà méjì lọ ní ṣé gbogbo gbàtẹ́ lọ yẹn everyday lọ ní kẹ́ máa wá ní àbí oníṣòwò everyday tọ́ fún yín. Every Saturday. Classes.
Then
so they all of them be 3 or 4 Saturdays.
Like 3 or 4.
They wá rí ẹni tó jẹ́ proprietor yẹn.
Mo kàn wé so mọ́tò mo ò ríyàn tó jọ. Only thing ta kò máa ń gbọ́ wọ́n pé ṣe báyìí, ẹ jókòó báyìí, ẹ ráàtì báyìí, ó máa gbé script tó fẹ́ ṣe, ó máa gbé lé head class yẹn lọ́wọ́. Gbé tó máa put you in charge and all those things.
Wo àtẹ̀yẹ wá rí yẹn, ẹ wá pè personally kẹ́ complain pa kí ló dé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ọ̀gá ẹ̀ yọjú.
I want to complain to him pé mo need the challenges in pé is it how things will be going, but his response really baffle me. Mo kàn fẹ́ pé please can I have a word with you? Mo nǹkan tí mo ṣe àtọ́wọ́ pé for what? Then I need to withdraw myself, even though till then later mo kàn rí message tó pé you need to pay 20-something thousand for penalty for not coming for the graduation and all those things. Then
see so kọtẹ tí ìmọ̀ kan tẹ fẹ́ bá wọn sọ kàn ní for what. Ẹ bá dé ṣàyẹn pé àgbà at least ẹ bá wọn sọ pé.
ẹ mọ̀ pé ó ti kí ẹ mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ni ó máa but later náà dà pé àwọn tún ń shoot lọ síbi kan mọ̀ pé tí wọ́n tẹ̀lé yín lọ sí location, if you have told me that the location yẹn we are the one that will be paying for the hotel and lodging and kini kan and logistic.
Ilẹ̀ tó gbogbo everything.
Ilẹ̀ tí máa wọ̀ sùn I will not register.
Ẹ̀dùn location tẹ̀ bá lọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lóyún sí fíìmù ẹ̀yin lè máa sanwó accommodation.
Sanwó logistic, sanwó hotel, a máa sanwó oúnjẹ. Pé there was one time that I have intention of going for that location. Mo wọ́n wá pé tí wọ́n kó hotel 30,000 naira lẹ̀ owó oúnjẹ ò sí níbẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ yìí ṣé mo fẹ́ fi wọ́n lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ òfò ni tó yẹ ni mo ṣe mo bá ń pé ó yẹ tí wọ́n máa béèrè tí wọ́n tó torí bọ̀ mo ò béèrè then I need to like òun kọ́ wá after pé go and pay and I paid. I have the ID card with me, I have the polo with me, and I have.
You received for 50,000.
He didn't give me the receipt, but ó wà nínú statement of my accounts. Yes.
Okay, ṣá Ọlọ́run bá tó wá ṣe eré wo lè máa àtijọ́ ṣé àwọn Yorùbá movie ni àbí Nollywood movie.
Mo máa ti àwọn cinema movie and Nollywood and YouTube. Okay. Yes.
So àwọn actor àbí actress wo lẹ ti bá tó jẹ́ prominent tẹ́ ń pé like wọn ọlọ́dẹ ni pé kẹ́ fiction náà àwọn scene wọn.
There was one tí mo rí Ọdúnládé Adékọ́lá.
Okay.
Ìyẹn ni ó ń pè ní The Horseman àbí kí ló ń pè tó ṣe pẹ̀lú Ebony Life then when I saw him acting wọn it was okay and this Shafi Bello mo ti pàdé wọn lórí set dáadáa. There was one movie gan tí director Abiodun Steven náà direct which she just pair both of us together but it's not a speaker Shafi Bello. Yeah. And a lot of them tí mo ti meet lórí set bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó too àtijọ́ wà lórí set lórí ó wà ń bẹ̀ cinema movie náà nìyẹn náà. Then Madam Fathia Balogun àtijọ́ àwọn jọ wà lórí àwọn méjì jọ wà lórí set nígbà yẹn náà ni. A lot of them. Yeah, I went for a set recently. Funke Akindele. She's a good director and a good actress also. Kò sẹ́ni tí kò ní tiẹ̀ but tó máa pọ̀ jù ni but I so much enjoy her because yes nǹkan tẹ́mi dẹ́ rí pé ó ń ṣe ń pé kò fẹ́ tó bà iṣẹ́ òun jẹ́ kò fẹ́ tó bà iṣẹ́ owó òun jẹ́. Funke now if she is not directing the job very well and we are now taking it for granted they won't talk to us anyhow.
Iṣẹ́ ló ní iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ṣe.
Ben.
Okay, what's the title?
Jennifer coming is a cinema film sha. Everyone love Jennifer.
Okay.
Boy cinema ni ó máa jáde ní December. Yeah.
Wow.
And I love everybody to watch it and all those things. She really directs.
So she okay cinema ni abi.
Cinema ni ó máa jáde ní December or December. Everybody love Jennifer.
Wow. So you know pẹ̀lú àwọn background kini
kíni ni mo ṣe ńbẹ̀ background ní ibi carnival we are just dancing as a carnival person and all those things.
Everybody loves him. Okay. So lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá what about tẹ́ bá ní èèyàn kan tó ní interest nínú yín tó pick yín tó wá fún yín conference tó fún yín tutorial kẹ́ wá máa ṣe acting.
Wàhálà ni ẹ máa dọ́lọ́hun ó máa dọ́lọ́hun mi kékeré.
You jump at it.
I will jump at it because mo ní interest but it's because of mo ti ní ìgboyà yẹn. Yes because iṣẹ́ acting ó go far gan torí ẹ̀ mo ní èèyàn tó máa fún mi confidence yẹn gan pé ìní kò ní ṣe pé tí yàn kọ́
tẹ wá lọ sí school yẹn.
Yeah tí mo dẹ̀ rí pé kíní kan ẹ bá wa share ẹ dẹ̀ máa bá wa comment ẹ bá wa like ẹ lórí ìkànnì Free Right TV News.
Kí wàá nìkan tí a sọ fún gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ yẹn káàkiri ayé àwọn tó ń wò yẹn what's the last line for you.
Okay lórí gbogbo atótónu àtàárọ̀ náà gbogbo ẹ̀ náà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ everyone mo ṣẹ́yàn kan kù nílẹ̀ pé báwo ni tiẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ so far pé you comment and you raise the hand of giving to me ẹ ṣeun gan God will bless you God will bless your home gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà yìí náà à ń gbàdúrà pé tọ́lọ́run bá wa sọ di rọrùn